Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Twitter, X, password, quick fix step-by-step clearly. Open the X app on your phone, or go to X.com in your web browser. On the login screen, tap or click the Forgot Password option. Choose whether you want to search your account by username, email address, or phone number. Type the correct information and press Search or Next. If you see multiple accounts, select the one that matches your profile. Pick where you want to receive the reset code, such as email or SMS. Tap or click Send Code to request the verification code. Open your email inbox or SMS messages and look for the code from X. If you do not see it, check your spam or junk folder and wait 1 or 2 minutes. Go back to the reset page and enter the verification code exactly as it appears. Tap or click Verify to continue. When you reach the password reset screen, create a new password. Use at least 12 characters for stronger security. Combine uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using your name, birthday, or simple patterns like 123,456 or password. Type the new password again in the Confirm field to make sure it matches. Tap or click Reset Password or Save to apply the change. If you are asked to log in again, enter your username or email and the new password. If you are already logged in on other devices, open Settings and review logged-in sessions. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Security and Account Access. Open Apps and Sessions, then choose Sessions. Log out of any device you do not recognize. If you think your account was hacked, change your email password too. Turn on two-factor authentication for extra protection. Go to Security and Account Access, then Security, then two-factor authentication. Choose an authentication app for the most secure option and follow the prompts. Update your recovery email and phone number so you can reset your password anytime. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.